How do you take Adam's Detail Spray, which is one of our flagship products, and make it even better? Well, you put graphene inside of it, right? That's exactly what we did. We added the reduced graphene oxide to Adam's Detail Spray to give you that protection that you've always wanted. Now with the reduced graphene oxide having the capability of being solubilized into water, it opens up a whole new door. It allows us to put the graphene protection into water-based products such as detail spray. With the graphene detail spray, use it the exact same as our flagship detail spray, the pink stuff as everyone calls it, right? You can use it as a quick detailer, spray and wipe, make your car look amazing and shiny. You can use it as a drying aid. It's not gonna streak, it's gonna finish perfect, and it is honestly a huge step forward for us. It takes the detail spray that everybody loves and it takes it a step further. We've been getting a lot of questions about how do I maintain my graphene ceramic coated vehicle? This is the answer right here. What you can do is once you have the graphene ceramic coating on your car, you can wash it and then you can use this as a drying aid on top, and it's gonna help maintain your graphene ceramic coating for an extended period of time. You know, if there's something that you wanna do, if you wanna wipe down your graphene ceramic coated vehicle, this is the product you're gonna use. But don't be fooled, this can be used on any car. It can be used on any finish. It doesn't have to be graphene ceramic coated. You can use it on a ceramic coated vehicle, a wax vehicle, anything. You're gonna get the benefits out of this no matter what. Now, a lot of people are gonna ask, how is it different than our CS3? Now, CS3 is more designed for cleaning. It's like a waterless wash, detail spray combined. And this doesn't have the protection, the graphene protection in it. This has the silica protection in it, which is more of a ceramic base. The graphene is what really separates these two. And the fact that this is the detail spray, it's gonna give you the shininess, the slickness, all the things you love of detail spray go into this product right here. Obviously the benefits of detail spray are amazing. That's why it's everyone's favorite product. This takes it a step further. We know you will love Adam's Graphene Detail Spray.